Project Rumi, Microsoft's unanticipated masterstroke now in the open. Would you be interested in actually speaking to an AI that not only understands human language but also processes human emotions? If you are, then stay tuned to know more. One of artificial intelligence's primary purposes is to always assist humans in their tasks. Alan Turing, the founder of artificial intelligence, created AI for this purpose. Another purpose of AI is to understand the processes of the human brain and to mimic how it generally works. It's been a long time since it was first formulated, and it has just gotten better ever since. Did you know that artificial intelligence was first conceptualized way back in 1950? It can be a bit shocking, especially to people who are new to the field of AI. Thanks to this technology, we have gotten so far ahead of the technology race. AI has helped so much in our daily lives. You can even say that in this day and age, we nearly can't live without them. Take ChatGPT for example. This AI chatbot has helped a lot of people with how beneficial and convenient it is to use. The potential of its prompt-based output generation is very helpful for various things. Do you need an outline to follow for an essay about dogs? Just type it in the prompt box. Do you want to learn how to cook spaghetti? Then don't worry because ChatGPT can generate a recipe for you. These two examples are only a small fragment of what ChatGPT is capable of. It can process tons of requests as long as you can put them into a text prompt. You could even converse with it if you want to. A lot of people use this for fun and entertainment, or just for asking random questions. Speaking of conversations, did you know that there's an AI program that can actually speak and recognize you? Not only can it provide you with the answers or output that you want, but it can actually fully converse with you. Now grab a seat because this will be a pretty interesting discussion. Hello there ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the amazing AI channel where we talk about artificial intelligence and all things related to it. We now welcome you to a groundbreaking episode. Microsoft has recently unveiled an innovation in the realm of artificial intelligence that promises to transform how we engage with large language models like ChatGPT. This pioneering endeavor is known as Project Rumi. Pretty cute name, isn't it? And trust us, it's not just another incremental step in AI advancement, it's a leap forward that will redefine the way we interact with AI. With how many advancements that AI receives on a daily, it can be difficult to actually make a mark in the AI race. This video will prove why Project Rumi is something to watch out for. In order for us to provide you with more AI content that interests you, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now, before we dive into the first segment of Project Rumi, let's take a quick journey into the evolution of AI interaction. Until now, our interactions with AI language models have been primarily text-based. We input questions or prompts, and the AI responds based on its training. Google Bard, ChatGPT, Midjourney, and a lot more AI programs utilize this type of processing. It's been a game changer, no doubt. The more detailed the text prompt, the better the output can be. But what if AI could go beyond understanding just the words you type? What if it could sense the underlying emotions behind the words that you say and write? Enter the birth of Project Rumi, a concept that aims to revolutionize human-AI interaction. At its core, this initiative focuses on multimodal paralinguistic prompting. It might sound like a mouthful of tech jargon, but in simple terms, it means enabling large language models to not only process text but also gauge and respond to users' emotions. This can be very useful, especially in this digital age. It can be hard to gauge what the person feels or conveys when it comes to more complex conversations. Let us first begin with delving deeper in understanding the paralinguistic prompting. Imagine having an AI that not only comprehends the words you say but also understands the sentiment and feelings behind those words. Project Rumi aims to make this a reality. No longer will AI interactions be limited to textual data. They'll have the emotional context that's so crucial in human communication. Pretty exciting, isn't it? Maybe it can also help us when we suddenly become sarcastic when talking with our friends through social media. All of this is surely impressive so far, but how does Project Rumi achieve this feat? Does it use tech that already exists, or is it just purely conceptual? Well, it recognizes human communication with the use of a multimodal approach. The system combines physical sensors and non-contact systems to gather a comprehensive view of the user's emotional and cognitive state. In a way, it's a face scanner that is way more advanced. What do you think of Project Rumi so far? We have to say, this is pretty exciting. Conversing with an AI is a large step toward the advancement of AI in general. We'd love to know more about your thoughts, so don't forget to leave a comment below. Now back to the video. To reiterate, Project Rumi highly utilizes physical sensors for emotional insights. Let's explore the physical sensors. These are tactile devices that come in direct contact with the user to gather real-time physiological data. We're talking EEG, electroencephalograms, which measure brain activity, perspiration sensors that gauge emotional arousal through sweat production, and heart rate monitors which track heart rate fluctuations linked to various emotions. Project Rumi tracks and scans everything down to the last detail in order to get a more detailed assessment. It's like consulting an AI doctor. But that's not all. With physical sensors comes with non-contact systems for emotional insights. Project Rumi also leverages non-contact systems which gather data without physically touching the user. So yes, seeing and talking to you in front of the camera can determine what you're feeling to a certain extent. These systems rely on visual and auditory cues. They have cameras that analyze facial expressions and micro-expressions, eye tracking that follows gaze direction, and speech analysis that detects variations in tone and pitch. Now that each sensor has been elaborated upon, we will now be delving into the fusion of the physical and non-contact sensors. Project Rumi's magic happens when you fuse the data from physical sensors and non-contact systems, turning all data into cohesive outputs. It paints a holistic picture of the user's emotional and cognitive state, allowing the AI to tailor its responses and interactions accordingly. It's like having an AI that can read your emotions as if it were a close friend. Just as all data-driven technology works, this one also works better with more information being presented to it. Now we'll take a look into Hubert and Distilbert, which are the backbone of this whole project. Let's get a sneak peek into the technology that drives Project Rumi in its current state. They use two transformative models, namely Hubert and Distilbert. We'll begin with Hubert, which was inspired by the BERT architecture and is designed for speech representation learning. It transforms raw speech data into language-like structures, allowing the AI to understand spoken emotions. As we said before, the principles of text-based prompts can still be seen in how the AI interprets information. It just has different steps in order to get the output that is desired. With this, we can also understand the emotions in a more logical and practical way. And then for the second model, we have Distilbert, a smaller, faster, and smarter version of the BERT transformer. It's perfect for natural language processing tasks and is designed for one-device applications. Distilbert reduces the size of the original BERT model while retaining 97% of its performance. It's a huge upgrade. This discussion has been quite a ride, but what about its uses in our daily lives? Is this useful for only specific niches, or can it be for mass usage? Well then, let's take a look at its real-world applications and the possible user experience. Let's now see Project Rumi in action. In a demo, users will first record their video or audio, which will then be transcribed and input into the AI as text. The system detects the user's emotions and displays them as a pie chart. It's like having a personal AI therapist that understands your feelings. This also shows that despite being complicated to delve into, this program is certainly worth using for a lot of purposes, may they be for personal use or for business. In conclusion, Project Rumi is a game changer in the world of AI. With enough time and development, it definitely has what it takes to be the future of human and AI interactions. It takes us beyond text-based interactions and into a realm where AI understands not just what we say, but how we feel. The fusion of physical and non-contact sensors along with advanced transformers like Hubert and Distilbert is the future of human-AI interaction. That's a wrap for today's episode. Project Rumi is a testament to the remarkable progress we're making in AI technology. Here at Amazing AI, we always make sure to provide you with news and other updates in relation to this field of knowledge. If you want to stay tuned to what the Amazing AI channel has yet to offer, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.